10% of the workforce in the United States work alongside forklifts or other types of industrial trucks. Each year, 30,000 serious injuries are caused by forklift pedestrian collisions. Injuries are painful and expensive, but also preventable. Introducing the ARINAlert Collision Avoidance System. The ARINAlert system can detect a vulnerable person when your eyes cannot. A varying frequency beeper and LED light bar warn a driver to proceed with caution or stop. Forklift driver visibility is not perfect. The mast's load and roll cage create a blind spot for the driver. Building intersections and corners limit visibility. Distractions in high traffic areas reduce pedestrian awareness. The ARINAlert Forklift Collision Avoidance System is plug and play. Lightweight components zip tie to the roll cage and snap together with standard connectors. Warning and danger zones are fully configurable. ARINAlert increases safety through location awareness. Please visit www.arinalert.com for more information.